Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will paint a little boat in an ocean with acrylics. It will have some fantasy feel to it. First I laid out the overall background with green, blue and a little white. The exact colors and the complete list of materials is in the information below the video. Once it is dry, we can paint the boat. First, pretty much a flat base, and then we add the detail and the shadows on it. Let's do the inside darker and some boards crossing for people to sit on. A man with a hat will be sitting on the back, rowing with an oar. And in front, a little girl enjoying the ride, enjoying the adventure. And let's add some shadows. I'm considering the light being from the top, from above, and slightly to the left. Now some of the seabed, the plants on it. But for now, in a very general way, mainly some general changes of tone, and then some waves. The boat will be still on shallow water, and the water very transparent, but it will soon enter the deep sea. So here, as the water is transparent, we should be able to see some of the algae, the seaweed underneath. We will have many of them. Some small, some bigger, some lighter, some darker, and some in different shapes. And don't forget to add the light and shadow for each of them. Also, we need to add the shadow of the boat in this direction. That should make it seem like it is floating and that the bottom of the sea is very shallow here. But under the tip of the boat, it will be going steeply down. So it also becomes darker. I mean, the overall color of the sea becomes darker. I give a light wash of green, blue-green, so as to integrate the weeds and send them down a bit. Then I darken the deeper part that I was talking about. I will add some mysterious reddish lights from under the ocean, which I'm not sure if I will leave or not. If I don't like them, I'll erase them. A good thing about acrylics is that you can paint on top of what is there and it will cover it completely, if the paint is opaque enough. Now behind the boat, on its wake, I will do another light layer, because if the water is moving, I think you will see less the weed underneath. Good, and now let's do some reflections. Some little lines of the waves and some dots, some little sparks. Good! And also let's paint some waves, some foam of the waves on the deep side. And it's ready! If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, and click on the little bell to receive notifications of new videos. And I will see you on Tuesday.